Hi, Amanda.
Hi, Maya.
Okay, you ready to start?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, activity one. Take turns asking each other yes or no questions about the picture. You have a name and an adjective under the picture. Ask if the person indicated is as described by the adjective. Respond to your partner in a complete sentence in Spanish saying sí or no. If the answer is no, you have to explain by giving the adjective that describes the person in the picture. If needed, change the ending of the adjectives to agree with the person they describe. Check the examples on the first row, paying attention to the different ways to ask and respond. Both students need to write down all questions and answers. Okay, so the example, so I'm guessing we use from what's on the bottom, like you know where it says like Beto and then inteligente. We use
Yeah.
those to form the question. So, for example, I would say like, is inteligente Beto? And you either say sí or no just by looking at the picture.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, this is pretty easy. Okay. So I'll ask the first one.
Okay.
Okay. Abuelo Thomas joven. Okay. Is Abuelo Thomas joven?
No, abuelo Tomás no es joven. Él es viejo.
Yeah. Okay. That
That's
seems
not
about
bad.
right because he's old. So works out. So then you do the same thing. Like you form the little question just by like what it says.
Okay. Should I ask the second question?
Yeah.
Es Luisa Delgado.
No, Luisa is no delgada. Ella es gorda. I mean, that seems so mean to say, but it's like, oh, I was put in that position. Okay. Okay, next one. Mariela simpática. Okay. Is Mariela simpática?
Sí, Mariela. Sorry.
Okay.
Sí, Mariela es simpática.
Yes, good job. All right. Next one.
And then es Kiko Rubio.
Um, no, Kaiko no es rubia. Ella es morena. Okay.
Yeah.
That was so easy. Okay. Next one, activity two. Take turns asking each other questions about the family below. Identify people by asking how they are related to other members of their family. Ask where they are from and ask for their description. Use these questions to request information. So, so we are using, I guess, those three questions, like the quién es blank, de dónde es blank, and then cómo es blank. And I'm assuming we use, so asking a question has to type their partner's responses. Each student must type the information of three different members of the family. So we each choose three different members that we're gonna ask each other questions to. Okay?
Okay. We just fill in the blanks, basically.
Yeah.
Okay.
When we're done, we'll go over this and just like help each other like make our docs seem better, like with our answers, because we have to write each other's answers down. So like right now, let's just respond verbally and yeah.
Okay.
So I'll ask you first, okay? We'll
Okay.
start with Samantha.
Okay.
¿Quién es Samantha?
Samantha es Samuel y Lola hija.
Mm, okay. ¿De dónde es Samantha?
Uh, Samantha es de Estados Unidos.
Okay. ¿Cómo es Samantha?
Samantha es bonita y tonta.
Okay. Next person, let's do Lola. Okay. ¿Quién es Lola?
Lola es Alejandro y Perla Maria hija.
Okay. ¿De dónde es Lola?
Uh, Lola es Lima, Peru.
¿Cómo es Lola?
Lola es bonita y tonta.
Okay. That's good. Last person, because I know we have to do three. Let's do Lula.
Okay.
¿Quién es Lula?
Lula es Perla Maria y Alejandro hija.
Yes. Okay. ¿De dónde es Lula?
Lula es Lima, Peru.
¿Cómo es what's her name? Lula.
Lula es bonita y tonta.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Your turn.
And then I'll do Alex.
Okay.
¿Quién es Alex?
Alex es el hermano de Lula.
Okay. ¿De dónde es Alex?
Él es de Cusco, Perú. No sé. Okay. Yeah.
And then ¿cómo es Alex?
Alex is moreno y guapo. I don't know. Good looking is the only thing that came up to my mind. I don't really know that many.
Okay. And I'll do Samuel next.
Okay.
¿Quién es Samuel?
Samuel is el esposo de Lola.
Okay. ¿De dónde es Samuel?
Él es de Nariño, Colombia.
Okay. And then ¿cómo es Samuel?
Samuel is moreno y joven. I say he's pretty young. He's 30. He's not that old.
Yeah, that's not that old.
Yeah.
And then for the last one, I'll do Lucas.
Okay.
¿Quién es Lucas?
Lucas is el hermano de Samantha.
And then ¿de dónde es Lucas?
Él es de San Francisco, Estados Unidos.
Okay. And then ¿cómo es Lucas?
Lucas is joven y simpático. He looks nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. And that's it.
All right. Actividad 3. Ask your partner for the missing times in your table. Use complete Spanish questions to ask and answer your partner's questions in a complete sentence as well. Okay, I've done this before. This was like on the last partner assignment.
Yeah, I remember.
So the person with the missing times asked, the activity is to practice different conjugations of verbs. You will be conjugating in tu form in all your questions. You'll form in your oral responses, and él/ella form when writing your partner's responses. See the highlighted verb in the example for the different conjugations. Okay. So the example, basically one of us is going to have a blank column and the other person is going to have the answer. So basically what I do is I ask you the question, which would be in tu form because I'm asking you. And I say, for example, in this example, I say, ¿A qué hora comes un yogur? Because that's what I'm missing. So I'm asking like at what time. And you would answer and say, yo como un yogur a las 6 de la mañana. So that's the time. And I write that down in my response, basically. But when I write it, I say, ella come un yogur, because I'm saying that's because it's your response, and then I'm writing it as in he said this or she said this, you know?
Okay. That makes sense.
All right. I'll ask you first, okay?
Okay.
All right. ¿A qué hora? Hold on. My dad's calling me. Give me 1 second.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
You're good.
Okay. ¿A qué hora corres en el parque? And then you respond in yo form.
Yo corro en el parque a las 8 de la mañana.
Yeah. We can write these all down when we're done because there's just a lot of writing. So let's just get them. Yeah. Okay. Next one. ¿A qué hora bebes café?
Yo bebo café a las 8:34 de la mañana.
Can you please repeat that?
Yeah. Yo bebo
Uh-huh.
café
Uh-huh.
a las 8:34 de la mañana.
So I think it's menos because it's like remember when she said it's higher than 30, right?
Like,
Like
yeah,
yeah, 8:34. So I think you do the menos.
you can do both.
Does it work?
Yeah, it does.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's right then.
Okay.
All right. ¿A qué hora lees la página 58 del libro?
Yo leo la página 58 del libro a las 9:20 de la mañana.
Okay. So the time is 9:20, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Last one. So, ¿a qué hora asistes a una clase?
Yo asisto a una clase a las 11:30 de la mañana.
Yeah. Okay. Now,
Now it's my turn to ask you.
yeah.
Okay, so ¿a qué hora vienes a su casa?
Remember it's vienes because it's like the special conjugation thingy.
Yeah,
So, yo vengo a su casa a las 8:25 de la mañana.
yeah, I think that's good.
Okay.
¿A qué hora abres el libro de historia?
Yo abro el libro de historia a las 9:15 de la mañana.
Yes. And then es ¿a qué hora escribes una composición?
Yo escribo una composición a las 11:15 de la mañana.
And then ¿a qué hora comes en la cafeteria?
Yo como en la cafetería a las 1 en punto de la tarde.
Yeah, I think those are good.
Okay, pretty sure both of us are correct. Okay, last activity. Yeah. Take turns asking each other what's wrong with the people in the pictures. Use tener expressions. I'm gonna open that real quick. Okay. Use tener expressions to respond. All the responses must use the verb tener conjugated to the people in the picture. Alternate asking each other. Both students need to write all the responses for a total of 4 sentences.
Okay.
So I guess we both need 4 sentences, so we both ask each other the same question.
Okay.
Yeah. So let's click on the expressions to get an idea of like what to say.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay. So for example, I'll ask you first, okay? I would say, ¿Qué tiene la chica? And then you say whatever.
I would say like La Chica tiene miedo.
Miedo, let me check what that is. I'm not too familiar with these. To be scared or afraid. Yeah, she looks pretty scared.
Yeah.
Okay. Then you ask me.
¿Qué tiene la chica?
La chica tiene, let's see what she could be. Maybe calor because she's in the middle of a fire, so she'd be very hot.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah. Okay, next one. So I'm gonna ask you the same question, but based on that picture. ¿Qué tiene la chica?
La chica tiene color.
Yeah, she could be hot because she's in the desert.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then ¿Qué tiene la chica?
La chica tiene sed. Sed, I think. Yeah, because that means
Yeah,
like thirsty, like she's just thinking of water while she's there.
yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah. Okay. Last one. ¿Qué tiene el chico?
El chico tiene mm, sed.
Yeah, because he has a big like cup of a drink. So
Yeah.
I'm guessing he's thirsty. Okay.
And then tiene el chico?
El chico tiene hambre because he's eating a lot, so I'm guessing he's very hungry.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay, we're done.
Okay.
We'll go over this a little later just to make sure our document's right, but good
Yeah.
job.
Yes, you too.
All right, bye.
Bye, Maya.